Okay, we're in our airplane back from Las Vegas. There's Lake Mead down there. I don't know how good this is going to show here. There's the lake. There's the tip of one of the deals on the airplane. Oh, there's that island we seen, Lee. Remember that island? Yeah. I can see Hoover Dam from here. Yeah. I see it right there to the right. Can you see it now? Look, right. It's coming up. We're coming up to it. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. There's Hoover Dam right there. It's going to be passing you, so you'll be able to see it unless he changes position again. Zoom back out. There it is.
Oh yeah, I see it.
So there's the Grand Canyon right beneath us, everybody. If you see the dam there, see the round circular land formation, the dam, and then the Colorado River. We was in that Colorado River right there. That's the section we went down yesterday, right, Lee?
Yeah.
And there's that big deal over there with a lot of flat on top of it. There's the Colorado River again below us. Hoover Dam back up this way. Absolutely fabulous. That's part of Lake Mead, starting at the canyon. We didn't see near all of Lake Mead. It's in different basins. But we flew over these mountains right here, Lee, I believe, in that helicopter. Yeah. You see these? Because we went on past Hoover Dam a good ways. Maybe we can spot the other stuff that we saw while we was out here. Do you remember anything about the lake that we seen? I remember seeing that white rock. See, I don't know if you can see it right now. See how so much of it's white? It's kind of like a beach area. I remember seeing that while we was on the helicopter. There again, this is 7/8/2009. I guess it's getting about 7:30 to 8 o'clock Nevada time. There's Lake Mead. See how far it extends out. This is the second portion of it we've seen.
Make sure that you remind on the very front of the video that you tell everybody that whenever you record, put it on DVD, that the time that's on there is 2 hours ahead of the time it actually was where we was at.
Okay, you mean 2 hours behind. Oh, their time will be 2 hours ahead.
That time right there is 2 hours ahead of the
Ladies and gentlemen, do realize we got a little too low on our ascent to the skies. We have called the guys and they are going to warm it up for us. Thank you.
What got cool? What the hell? I just wish we could find a place that we landed that helicopter at. We was in the Grand Canyon when he landed it. Here's more of the lake again. Of course, I can't see what's beneath us. We're obviously on the left side of the plane. We're obviously behind the engine. There's the Colorado River again. Hey, we seen that big green portion over there, Lee. I think so. So this might have been where we landed at earlier in the helicopter. There's like a big X out there. I see a big X on top of the deal. I don't know if it's going to show on the camera. The sun is behind us, folks. I don't know if the sun's going to show. I think this is where we went to the Grand Canyon, right up here. See, because I remember seeing them rocks all carved out like that. I'm going to zoom back in a little bit here. Banking a little bit to the right now. I can see the Colorado River down in there. There's an area right there that seems to have a lot of flat to it. I still see the Colorado River. Hey, maybe that was our airport right there, Lee. There's one right down there. Move your head over here. I'll move the camera. Jump up quick, it's going to be gone. I think I see the cantilever deal out there. It's right in front of that wide area. I think that's where that cantilever deal was at. I think you're right, Lee. There's the Colorado River again below us. I don't know if y'all can see this. Oh, check out the red on them places over there. I'm losing the Colorado now. The mountains over there are red. Trying to zoom in on it. Maybe the camera will focus good. I think I see the Colorado River again. But it could be a tributary. Stopping the video.